Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for the best RC helicopter on Amazon in 2026, you're in the right place. Whether you're a beginner looking for an easy-to-fly helicopter, an experienced RC pilot interested in 3D aerobatics, or simply a collector who wants a detailed military helicopter model, there are plenty of interesting options available. In today's video, we're looking at 5 RC helicopter products featuring auto hover, altitude hold, optical-flow positioning, GPS, 6-channel controls, brushless motors, stunt modes, and even a realistic flight simulator. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. So, let's get started with the top 5 best RC helicopters on Amazon 2026. Number 1. UH-1 RC Helicopter, Huey Collectible Remote Control Helicopter. Starting our list at number 1 is the UH-1 RC Helicopter, also known as the Huey. This model is designed for adults and beginners who want a detailed RC helicopter inspired by the iconic UH-1 Huey. One of its biggest advantages is the auto hover feature. For beginners, maintaining a stable altitude can be one of the hardest parts of learning to fly an RC helicopter. Auto hover can make the experience considerably easier by helping the helicopter maintain a more consistent height. The model is built at a 1/27th scale and comes with 2 batteries, which can be convenient for longer flying sessions. The Huey design also makes this helicopter particularly attractive as a collectible model. The UH-1 is a good choice for someone who wants a combination of realistic appearance and beginner-friendly controls. The auto-hover system makes it more approachable for new pilots, while the detailed Huey-inspired design gives it additional collector appeal. Pros: UH-1 Huey-inspired design, 1.27 scale, auto-hover function, designed for adults and beginners, 2 batteries included, attractive collectible design, suitable for learning RC helicopter basics. Cons: more focused on stable flight than advanced aerobatics. Smaller scale may not appeal to users wanting a larger RC helicopter. If you're a beginner or collector looking for a realistic UH-1 style RC helicopter with auto hover, this is a great place to start. Number 2. GoolRC WLtoys K110S RC Helicopter. At number 2, we have the GoolRC RC helicopter, based on the WLtoys K110S. This model is aimed more toward enthusiasts who want a more advanced flying experience. It features a 6-channel control system and supports both 3D and 6G flight modes. The 6G mode is designed to provide a more stable and easier-to-control flying experience. For experienced pilots, the 3D mode opens the door to more advanced aerobatic flying. The helicopter also features a gyro system that helps with flight stabilization. This makes the K110S particularly interesting because it can serve both beginners who want stability and experienced pilots who want more freedom to perform stunts. The GoolRC WLtoys K110S is one of the more performance-focused helicopters on this list. The combination of 6-channel controls, 3D flight mode, 6G stabilized mode, and gyro stabilization makes it much more suitable for enthusiasts who want to progress beyond basic hovering and simple directional flying. Pros: 6-channel control, 3D flight mode, 6G stabilized mode, gyro stabilization, designed for adults and beginners, suitable for advanced RC flying, supports aerobatic flying, compact, enthusiast-oriented design. Cons: 3D mode requires more flying skill, more demanding for complete beginners than simple auto-hover models. If you're looking for an RC helicopter that can grow with your flying skills, the GoolRC WLtoys K110S is a very interesting choice. Number 3. Xiang F11S AH64 RC Helicopter with GPS. Coming in at number 3 is the Xiang F11S AH64 RC Helicopter. This model takes inspiration from the AH64 Apache and features a 1/32 scale design. It uses a 2.4 GHz radio system with 6-channel control. One of its most interesting features is its positioning technology. The helicopter includes GPS and optical flow positioning, which can help improve stability and positioning during flight. It also features a flybarless design and supports both 6G and 3D flight modes. The dual-axis co-drive system is another interesting feature, while LED lights give the helicopter a more realistic appearance. The model is supplied as an RTF, or ready-to-fly package. The F-11S is an interesting choice for users who want a combination of realistic military helicopter styling and modern flight assistance technology. GPS and optical flow positioning can be especially useful for maintaining more stable flight, while the 6G and 3D modes provide flexibility for different skill levels. Pros: AH-64-inspired design, 1/32 scale, GPS positioning, optical flow positioning, 6-channel control, 2.4 GHz radio system, flybarless design, 6G and 3D flight modes, LED lights, RTF package. Cons: advanced flight features may require some learning. 3D mode is better suited to experienced pilots. If you want a detailed Apache-inspired RC helicopter with GPS, optical flow positioning, 6-channel control, and 3D capability, the Xiang F-11S is a compelling option. Number 4. REALFLIGHT Evolution RC Flight Simulator. At number 4, we have something completely different: REALFLIGHT Evolution RC Flight Simulator. This is an actual RC helicopter. Instead, it's a flight simulation package designed to help RC pilots practice flying digitally. It includes the Interlink DX controller and supports both airplane and helicopter simulations. It also supports VR headsets and includes online multiplayer options. This can be especially useful for beginners who want to learn the fundamentals of RC flight before risking an actual model. You can practice takeoffs, landings, hovering, orientation, and other flying skills in a virtual environment. For someone who is completely new to RC helicopters, a simulator can be an excellent training tool. Instead of worrying about crashes and damaged parts while learning, you can practice virtually. Experienced pilots can also use the simulator to practice maneuvers or improve their skills. The inclusion of the Interlink DX controller makes the experience feel more like operating a real RC transmitter. Pros: RC flight simulator, Interlink DX controller included, helicopter simulation, airplane simulation, VR headset compatibility, online multiplayer options, excellent for beginners, useful for practicing advanced maneuvers, no physical helicopter crashes during simulation. If you're new to RC flying or want a safe way to practice before flying an expensive model, REALFLIGHT Evolution is an excellent training option. And finally, at number 5, we have the UH-60L Black Hawk RC helicopter. This model is designed for adults and features a detailed Black Hawk-inspired appearance. It uses a 6-channel control system and is equipped with a brushless motor. The helicopter also includes altitude hold and optical flow positioning to help provide a more stable flight experience. Another interesting feature is one-key inverted flight, which adds an advanced stunt capability for experienced pilots. The mini RC helicopter design also makes it suitable as a gift for RC enthusiasts. The UH-60L Black Hawk is an attractive option for users who want a military helicopter design combined with modern flight assistance and performance features. The brushless motor is particularly interesting for enthusiasts looking for a more advanced power system. Altitude hold and optical flow positioning can make basic flight easier, while the inverted flight function provides an additional challenge for experienced pilots. Pros: UH-60L Black Hawk-inspired design, 6-channel control, brushless motor, altitude hold, optical flow positioning, one-key inverted flight, designed for adults, mini RC helicopter design, suitable as a gift, advanced flight capabilities. Cons: advanced flight features may take practice to master. Inverted flight is more suitable for experienced pilots. If you're looking for a military-style RC helicopter with a brushless motor, altitude hold, optical flow positioning, and stunt capabilities, the UH-60L is an exciting choice. So, those were the top 5 best RC helicopter options on Amazon in 2026. If you're a beginner or collector who wants a realistic Huey design and auto hover, the UH-1 RC helicopter is a great choice. If you want 6-channel controls with 3D and 6G flight modes, the GoolRC WLtoys K110S is a strong option for developing your flying skills. For users who want GPS, optical-flow positioning, an Apache-inspired design and 3D capability, the Xiang F11S stands out. If you're new to RC flying and want a safe way to practice without risking a physical aircraft, REALFLIGHT Evolution can help you learn without risking a physical aircraft. And if you want a Black Hawk-inspired helicopter with brushless motor, altitude hold, optical flow positioning, and inverted flight, the UH-60L is an exciting choice. Before buying an RC helicopter, consider your experience level, where you plan to fly, the type of stabilization you want, and whether you're interested in basic flying or advanced aerobatics. So, which RC helicopter would you choose? Let me know your favorite in the comments.